Attention savvy travelers, stop packing right now. TSA just updated their rules again, and everyday items you probably have in your bag will get you flagged, fined, or pulled straight out of the line. No warning, no exceptions. TSA and airport security worldwide have been quietly tightening restrictions, and travelers are getting stopped for things they used to fly with all the time. If you're flying soon, this is your warning. Let's make sure TSA agents don't toss half your luggage away. Here are the most common items being confiscated, the new rules most travelers don't know about, and the smartest ways to get through airport security faster than ever. Let's start with full-size liquids and aerosols. This is the most obvious rule, yet people still lose thousands of dollars in products at TSA every single day. If it pumps, sprays, pours, or gels, and it's over 3.4 ounces, it's gone. Shampoos, lotions, sunscreen, mousse, even large deodorants. The 311 rule is alive, well, and very unforgiving. Another one of the top items TSA is taking this year is lithium power banks. The rule remains the same, but enforcement is now stricter. Power banks must stay in your carry-on bags only, never in checked luggage. If a charger looks scratched, swollen, or damaged in any way, it will be thrown out immediately. Battery size, labeling, and placement matter more than ever. Anything over 27,000 milliamp hours is almost guaranteed to get pulled for secondary screening. The best workaround is to travel with a power bank that clearly prints its watt-hour rating on the case. TSA agents prefer it, and it prevents delays. Next, cordless hair tools. Your cordless straightener or curler could now get you fined depending on the type. Anything with a lithium-ion battery or a butane or gas cartridge is heavily restricted. Most can't go in checked bags, and many aren't even allowed in carry-on if the batteries aren't removable. Flammable or hazardous items are strictly prohibited. Butane, lighter fluid, fuel canisters, certain aerosols, and many hobby supplies fall under this category. If it can ignite, explode, corrode, or melt something, leave it at home. Smart luggage is another area of concern. Some smart bags look great online, but if the embedded battery can't be removed, the bag isn't allowed to fly at all. Another surprise for travelers is powders over 12 ounces. Protein powders, baby formula tubs, vitamin powders. TSA may swab them, question you, or toss them entirely. This happens even more often at busy airports. Sharp items are also a problem. Multi-tools, metal nail kits, sewing scissors, pocket knives, and metal corkscrews with blades are all treated as potential weapons. If it could be used as one, TSA assumes that it is. Weapon-like toys, including kids' items, are causing unexpected issues. Weighted stuffed animals, realistic toy guns, and dense toy blasters are constantly being flagged. If it resembles a weapon on the X-ray, TSA doesn't care where you bought it. Another major issue going viral is the myth about bringing frozen water through security. Social media creators keep claiming that if your water is frozen solid, TSA will allow it. But this only works if the bottle is completely frozen with absolutely zero liquid. The moment anything melts, it gets dumped. A smarter and more savvy option is traveling with an empty collapsible water bottle and filling it after security. Many travelers now clip collapsible bottles to the outside of their bags to save space. Food items are another source of unexpected bag checks. Dense or layered foods look like explosives on X-ray scanners, and TSA has been flagging them more often. Items such as protein bars, sandwiches, wrapped candy, blocks of cheese, and certain snacks can trigger unnecessary delays. Peanut butter remains classified as a liquid, another item people get wrong. To avoid delays, pack all food in one clear pouch and place it in a bin. This simple step dramatically reduces bag pulls. If these travel safety tips are helping you stay ahead of TSA, hit subscribe for more smart travel hacks, packing guides, and itinerary tips every week. Now back to it. Electronics remain a point of confusion. Laptops, tablets, full-size gaming consoles, and camera bodies still need to be removed and placed in separate bins unless you're in a special leave items in bag lane. What has changed is how TSA now handles large camera batteries and external battery bricks. They are treated like laptops and may require extra questions. Putting your laptop or tablet in its own bin speeds up your time through security and is a tip widely recommended by frequent travelers. Souvenirs also cause unexpected issues, especially items collected internationally. Sand, shells, rocks, spices, loose herbs, teas, and handmade oils often get pulled because agents cannot immediately identify the contents. If you buy or gather souvenirs like this, pack them in a simple labeled pouch. When items are organized and clearly visible, security is more likely to wave them through without extended screening. And while knowing what TSA might confiscate is crucial, the next step is making sure you move through security as quickly and smoothly as possible. Pre-check has expanded quietly in the last year. More regional airports and more foreign airlines now recognize TSA pre-check benefits, and clear kiosks are more widely integrated than ever before. If you travel even once or twice a year, the time saved during screening makes it worthwhile. One of the best overall strategies circulating among frequent travelers is the inspection bag, or as we call it on this channel, the savvy pouch system. Place anything that could look unusual on an X-ray, chargers, snacks, souvenirs, electronics, toiletries, in a single transparent pouch. If your bag gets flagged, TSA only needs to examine that pouch instead of digging through your entire suitcase. This method drastically reduces stress and speeds up secondary screening. Here's another savvy traveler tip. Pack a day one essentials pouch, a change of clothes, medications, chargers, a toothbrush, and a small cleanser, just in case your check bag goes missing. Before you leave, scan everything. Passport, ID, boarding passes, hotel confirmations. One emailed backup can save you a world of trouble. Combining these tips will help you move through airport security quickly, avoid fines, prevent bag delays, and travel like seasoned pros who never get stuck repacking at the checkpoint. For travelers who want deeper guides for specific airports, line patterns, food options, or hidden shortcuts, there are detailed breakdowns available for any destination. Drop a comment if TSA has ever taken something from you. You might save another traveler from the same mistake. If these tips helped, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next Savvy Traveler Guide. Remember, the rules can change overnight, so staying informed is the easiest way to stay ahead of the crowds and the stress. Travel doesn't have to be stressful. You just have to be savvy. Do a final bag check, know the rules, and pack smarter than everyone else in line. Until next time, travel smart, travel safe, and stay savvy.